still eating. It's yummy? You like the snow? You crazy girl. Yum yum? It's like ice cream, no? Snow? You like the snow? We're gonna make snow angels, okay?
Rico? ¿Sabe rico?
That's your first snow, huh? Because last year you were still a baby. Now you can touch it and eat it. Yeah, but tomorrow don't eat it, okay? Because it's gonna be dirty. Yeah, these are fresh snow from this morning, I guess. What does Santa Claus say? Ava, what does Santa Claus say?
What does Santa Claus say?
She's too busy eating.
She's too busy eating.
Are you hungry? I guess it's time for Mommy to make lunch.
Rico?